Welcome to the grammar section and writing skills course of Edupom EdTech. You are watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the video is classified advertisements, in which we are going to talk about how to write a situation vacant. Situation vacant. So what is basically a situation vacant? That means a post. That means we are talking if I am working in a company or an organization or in a college or any particular place like that. There is a post which is vacant and I want an employee or I want a member for that particular post. Alright. So this is a situation vacant. For example, I am working in a community. There are a number of vacancies. Vacancies open. Okay, so I have to put this information. Now how I will write this. Okay, so I'm going to make you understand that what are the things which are important for to write this situation vacant. Okay, so the first thing which you have to notify is you have to specify the post and number of vacancies. Okay, so specify the post and number of vacancies. For example, there are different options, there are different websites where you search for the jobs, and there you see that in a particular organization or in a particular college these options are open. For example, they want a lab assistant, they want a assistant professor, they want a dean. Okay, and they also put off their educational qualification and work experiences put off there. All right, so these things you must have noticed. So first thing what you will mention is you have to specify the post and the number of vacancies. Second is you have to put the qualities. What are the qualities you are expecting? Okay, so the qualities of the person required. For example, if they want a person working in a technical environment, so they will talk about that his typing speed should be this much. Okay, and he should speak some of the languages, for example English, Hindi, or for example let's say Telugu. So the person should be very much fluent in these three languages, or they should have the work experience of around 2 years or 1 year, or they can be a fresher. A fresher is also invited. So these are the things where you have to specify the qualities of the person required. Then name of the company or the organization. Okay, then comes the age and gender of the candidate. Okay, that is to be mentioned too. All right, then comes the pay scale and the perks. Perks is, what are perks? Perks are basically the advantages. For example, if you work with us, then you will some type of, like, what you say, allowance will be provided, or medical services will be free. Okay, so these things, allowances, or they will pay you in the form of rupees, or they will rent you out a property. So these things are to be mentioned over there. All right, now comes the next part, that is mode of applying. How you can apply? Okay, you can apply it in the offline format or online format. Okay, and how you should apply. So they will provide with you with every information. All right, then last but not the least comes the contact address and the phone number. Okay, this is one of such important thing of situation vacant. All right,